Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine and I'm excited that you're here. If you love couponing, you want to be prepared and know exactly what's ahead and know things ahead of time, then this is the video for you. I really like to get prepared ahead of time, and it also helps me to provide those videos early on so you guys could get prepared also early. Life is so it's going extremely fast, and that's why I like to do my videos really early and provide anything I get pretty on soon. And also when I do my best videos like for CBS, I like to provide a list just to make it easier for you. So I hope you guys enjoy that in my channel. Well, today we have something that we're able to see it ahead of time, and this is two smart stores. Well, not two smart stores, but two inserts. These are coupons you get in the Sunday's paper, and this one is going to be one of each. We expected to get one of each for February 2. That's already the ones that we're going to be getting for that Sunday. So right here you see Smart Stores in the cover, and then we get to see the cover for RetailMeNot also for February 2nd. I'm going to give a shout out to how I was able to get these early on. And one of those people was from Clips Coupons, and the other one is from How to Shop for Free. That's how I was able to bring them so early on to you guys. Before we get started, as you see here, we have the 2020 Sunday insert schedule, and for February 2nd we have one of each, and as you can see, it's exactly what we're getting, two of those. So let's go starting looking inside the Sunday's paper, or the insert, the preview, guys, the Sunday insert. So we're gonna start with the Smart Source, and right away in the cover you see Lysol, different products, different coupons, and this one is pretty high value. This one is the Lysol laundry sanitizer, $1.50 off one. So then inside we get finally some higher value coupons for Colgate toothpaste, mouthwash, and toothbrush. Recently we just got them for 50 cents, but for this Sunday we're gonna be getting them for $1. Hopefully we get it for that price, because sometimes they do vary by region, at least the amount. Then we have Claritin, and this one is for 1 week only. So if you're going to be purchasing or getting this item, this will be a good time to get it because of the high value coupon. And then underneath we have two different coupons for Alka-Seltzer. The following page, moving on from the insert inside, we see Finish, three different type of products, or three different products and three different coupons, and you'll be able to see which one each of them apply to. And right next to it we see Eucerin and Aquaphor coupons. This one is a little bit less, because before we will get 3 and 1, or sometimes 3 to 1 just for Eucerin, and then for Aquaphor the same thing, but these are it looks like we're getting less coupons for those two brands. And right here in the middle of it we see Nivea. It says Nivea Men Body Wash product, $3 off 2. And then it continues with more Nivea products. It will see the Nivea body lotion, and right next to it we see the face. This is Men Face or Aftershave, and at the end we see Nivea lip care, which these are rare to get, so hopefully we find a deal and to take care to use this coupon. The following page we see is Clorox, and it does include liquid bleach, and it has other products as well, and it says save 1 off 2. So following the page we have Halls. Once again, this is $1.25 off 2, and sometimes they become they're on special at CBS, most likely at Publix on BOGO deals, and this will be a good time to use that coupon. And right next to it we see Tylenol Cold or Tylenol Sinus product is $2 off 1. Great coupon as well. And at CBS we've been seeing a lot of coffee deals, and we were getting some of those CRTs that are 2 off 8 for coffee products. So we consider to get those CRTs, and we take advantage and stack it with these manufacturer coupons, and it will be a great deal. So this is McCafe coffee, $1 off 1. Right underneath we see Tina, save 5 off 2, and this sometimes is a great deal at Publix. The following page we get to see another Tylenol coupon, and this one is for adult. It says Tylenol PM or Simply Sleep product, and it's $1 off 1. And underneath we have the Terra Tears, save 3 on any Terra Tears product. The next page, guys, finally, oh my gosh, it's been such a long time since we've seen Remo coupons. So here, I know the value is not the same. Sometimes we get buy one get one, or sometimes the value is sometimes $2 or $3. But this one, I am not complaining because it's usually just for the eye product, and not much love is shared for different products for face or lip. But in here, we're able to see two different coupons for the eye, and this one is also again for eye, lip, face product. So here we see coupons for Rachel Ray Nutri. She has been on point with so many deals, so many coupons. So I'm excited for these. We've been getting so many deals at Publix, and we're going to be getting one soon. There's a video coming up about that, or a video that should be already up for that, and is, I believe, this one here. So just hold on to these because we've been seeing a lot of deals for Rachel Ray Nutrish, and at least at Publix. Then we see a deal for, or coupons for, one package of Ferrero Golden Gallery Signature. Such a pretty packaging there, and there's a coupon for that. And then the next page we have different type of coupons for Giovanni. For this is the yogurt. Oh, I believe, is this a milk that they have now? That is interesting. And their yogurts are pretty good, and so glad to see that there's coupons for those coming up too. Next coupon is save 50 cents off one for Masola oil, or the spray is also included for the coupon. And then next to it we see Big. Well, it's been a while since we've been seeing these coupons, so I'm excited for these because usually we get deals with these coupons at Walgreens. So I'm loving that there are 3 off 1, and it's letting you know which type of coupons too. Underneath we have Renew 12 ounce or larger, and this one is the multi-pack, and 2 different choices or coupons there. And then I think this is the last of this book, the Smart Source, Astroglide, $1 off 1. So now we're going to go inside the next book, and the next one is going to be RetailMeNot, and this one is also for February 2nd. And as you already see, there's going to be different options, or it's showing us the ad or what's going to be the deal at Family Dollar on the cover for RetailMeNot. Once we skip that part showing us the deals for Family Dollar, then we're able to see coupons for M&Ms. I miss these coupons, and we're already seeing some deals and promotions in store for Valentine's. So here's a coupon that we're going to be able to use and pair with some deals. I don't even know how you say this, but I miss seeing some of these deals, especially for the gel. But this one is for the Schwarzkopf hair color product, and this one is also for hair color. This is save 7 off 2 and save 3 off 1. And that was the only thing that it came for the coupons. Usually they used to bring Got to Be as well, but we only see those in the ad. The next page we see Dial. I'm glad these are back as well. This is Dial or Tone, save 1 on 1, I believe. And then this one is for hand wash, also save 1. I believe it's on 2. So this one might be on 2 also. Right underneath we have Right Guard. There was some great high value printables recently, so if they're still available, I'm gonna provide them below. They were like a $4 off too. But if you're waiting for the insert, here are some. This one is going to be $1.50 off 1, but this one's for the Right Guard Extreme Defense or Drive Idea. And the next one is for Sport, but this one is $1 off 1. I'm glad we're going to be getting all coupons once again. The coupon we just got a few weeks ago was for $2, but this one is going to be $1, and these are such, they have so many restrictions that we were only able to use 1. So we just have to see the fine print on these coupons. And then right underneath we have, this is a Say Yes to Joint Comfort and Mobility, a coupon deducting save 10. So this must be a pretty expensive product. I don't know if you guys know anybody that need it. This coupon will surely help bring down the total. And then we have an ad mostly for Walgreens promoting, this is so cute, the packaging is so fresh, and this is called Refresh, and oh my god, it has formulas with salicylic acid. I love them, and it's silicone and parabens parabens and dyes, color safe. And then promotion for Tresemme for Walgreens. So it looks like there's going to be a deal coming up at Walgreens during that week. So then right next to it, we do see the coupons for Tresemme, 4 off 2, and then we have 5 off 2, and this is the one that they're promoting here. This line, it looks like, is going to be called Pro Pure products. Wow, there's many coupons here. We have Degree Woman Advanced Protection Dry Spray, and then we have for men, we have the deodorant, and we have Degree Men Advanced Protection Dry Spray as well. And then we have, I don't know if these are the wipes. No, this is deodorant too. So there's different coupons. So hopefully we start seeing a deal for these too. So there's so many coupons here to choose from. Then next we start moving on to more cold and flu season. And this one is Theraflu. This is Theraflu products, and then Theraflu products, this is for the large one, 3 off 1. And then we have more cold products, Triaminic product, $1 off 1. And then the one at the bottom, this one is 4-way fast acting nasal spray. So this is interesting, another nasal spray, and this one will save you $1 off 1. The next page we have Aussie, and it looks like a cute packaging too. Save 2 off 2. And then we have Herbal Essence, more coupons, deducting 3 off 2. But the one that's coming for P&G is a higher value, is I believe it's going to be $5 off 2. Cystane, $5. iCabs, $8. And then Sadator from Cystane as well, $3. Then we have a number 7. Usually these coupons, we get to see them rarely, but they do expire many months later. So this might be the case too. And I really love their products from number 7. We have Nexium, 2 different coupons, deducting 5, and another one deducting 2, depending on the product and the product size. And we have Advil deducting 2, but this has to be any Advil 40 count or larger. And then we have, once again, coupons for Thermocare. We had a great deal, I believe, a month or 2 ago, and this one is excludes the 1 count, but it will save you $3 off 1. And this is the end of RetailMeNot. So this concludes this video. I hope you guys were able to look inside and see that there's many great coupons coming, but it's too early to tell what the deals are going to be. But I'm just so happy that I'm getting to see the coupons earlier. So once I get to see the ads for that week, February 2nd, I'm able to know what is coming, so I could bring those deals at least for CBS a lot early. So thank you guys for watching, for your support, and until the next video. Bye.